Listen up, Spartan. Today we're talking about something more important than Covenant battles or Forerunner artifacts. Today we're talking about democracy. First things first. If you want to vote, you need to be registered. It's like suiting up for a mission. You can't do anything until you have the right equipment. So, head over to your local government office or check out their website. You'll need to fill out a form with some basic information like your name and address. It's easy, like loading a new mag into your rifle. Once you're registered, it's time to find your local polling station. It's like finding a new mission objective. You can use the internet to find your polling place or ask your local government office. Make sure you know where to go so you can complete your mission of voting. Now let me make something clear. Voting is important. It's like choosing the right weapon for a fight. Every vote counts, and it's up to you to make your voice heard. Whether you're fighting against the Covenant or fighting for your rights, your vote matters. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So get registered and get out there on election day. It's like facing off against the flood. You need to be ready, and you need to be willing to fight. Take the time to educate yourself on the issues and choose the candidate or measures that best align with your values. That's how we build a better future, one vote at a time. Remember, Spartan, you have the power to make a difference. Use it.